Ladies and gentlemen, grab your glasses and raise a toast because 2024 has just unveiled the latest star of the AI scene, Google DeepMind's Gemini. Imagine if Tony Stark's Jarvis and a Swiss Army knife decided to join forces. Well, Gemini is the charming result, ready to mingle, solve your puzzles, and even crack a joke or two. This AI isn't just another tech whiz. It is the life of the digital party, serving up solutions with a side of wit and sophistication. This is NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. In the yawn-inducing world of one-trick AI ponies, we've been saddled with text-only, vision-only, and audio-only models. Basically, the AI equivalent of a friend who only speaks in haikus. Today, we are talking about something else. Gemini. This AI can chat with you, solve your calculus conundrums, analyze your latest cat video, and maybe even help you craft the perfect comeback for that annoying group chat, all at once. It's not just a step forward, it's a triple backflip into a future where our computers are not just smart, they're hilariously overqualified. AI has been the holy grail for many tech nerds out there, transforming from coding fun little games as teenagers to digging into brainy stuff in neuroscience labs. The big idea? Smarter machines could do wonders for humanity, not just helping us with daily tasks but tackling big, real-world problems. This dream of using AI to make the world a better place is what keeps Google DeepMind going. They've been on a mission to create AI that's more like a helpful buddy than a confusing piece of tech. They want AI to be intuitive and useful, sort of like having your very own digital assistant who's also a genius. Gemini is their most powerful and versatile AI model yet, built from scratch with input from the brilliant minds across Google, including Google Research. Gemini isn't just smart, it's a multitasking marvel. It can handle text, code, audio, images, and video all at once, like a digital jack of all trades. With Gemini, we're not just seeing smarter AI, we're getting a digital helper ready to make life easier and a lot more fun. During its training phase, Gemini AI didn't just pass the test, it aced it with flying colors, putting human experts to shame in 50 different subjects. Imagine showing up to a trivia night and finding out the competition is an AI that knows more about ancient history, quantum physics, and your aunt's secret cookie recipe than anyone in the room. It's like bringing a rocket launcher to a water balloon fight. Gemini just keeps winning and leaving everyone else drenched and speechless. And it gets even better. Enterprise customers and developers can play with Gemini like a high-tech Lego set, constantly tweaking and improving it to make it even smarter. The more people interact with it, the sharper it gets, kind of like a social butterfly that gains superpowers from every conversation. Gemini doesn't just stop at being a trivia whiz. It's got some serious reasoning chops thanks to advanced techniques like tree search and reinforcement learning, borrowed straight from AlphaGo's playbook. Imagine an AI that can think a few steps ahead, akin to a master strategist, playing 3D chess while juggling flaming torches. Gemini takes data from all sorts of tasks and media types, mixes them up, and spits out solutions to complex problems faster than you can say algorithm. When it comes to math, Gemini is the ultimate mathlete, acing algebra, geometry, and pre-calculus like a seasoned pro. It doesn't just understand mathematical symbols and notations. It is like having a human calculator in your pocket, ready to solve even the most perplexing equations. Need help with a tricky calculus problem, or figuring out the angles in your latest DIY project? Gemini's got you covered, making even the most mind-boggling equations seem like a walk in the park. But wait, there's more. Gemini isn't just a math whiz. It's a full-fledged science geek. It can dive into complex issues in biology, chemistry, and physics, extracting relevant information faster than you can say E is equal to mc squared. Whether it's decoding DNA sequences, analyzing chemical reactions, or explaining the mysteries of the universe, Gemini does it all with the finesse of a seasoned scientist. Gemini rolls out in 3 flavors: Ultra, Pro, and Nano, catering to every AI enthusiast's appetite. If you're all about the on-the-go lifestyle, then Gemini Nano is your pocket-sized pal, optimized for smartphones and handling tasks like text summarization and reply suggestions. Perfect for those moments when you need a quick answer or a witty comeback on the fly. Meanwhile, Gemini Pro is the brains behind Google's AI chatbot Bard, serving up lightning-fast responses to even the trickiest of queries. It's like having a genius bartender who not only knows your favorite drink, but also the meaning of life. But if you want the ultimate AI experience, look no further than Gemini Ultra. This bad boy not only exceeds benchmarks left, right, and center, but also leaves competitors like GPT-4 in the digital dust. Whether it's coding, image analysis, or deciphering the latest viral video, Gemini Ultra is the undisputed champ. So whether you're a smartphone warrior, a chatbot aficionado, or a benchmark-hungry tech geek, there's a Gemini model waiting to blow your mind and revolutionize your AI experience. Gemini Ultra isn't your average AI model. It's the shining star of the digital universe, leaving competitors like GPT-4 trailing behind in its wake. Across a myriad of benchmarks, from deciphering complex code to analyzing intricate images and videos, Gemini Ultra has emerged as the undisputed champion, proving its mettle in every facet of AI supremacy. But Gemini Ultra isn't content with just dominating the virtual realm. It is setting its sights on the physical world too. Google DeepMind is diving headfirst into the exciting realm of robotics, exploring how Gemini can team up with their mechanical friends to revolutionize human-robot interaction. Picture this: robots that not only respond to commands, but also understand tactile feedback, thanks to Gemini's multimodal prowess. With Gemini on board, these robots will be more than just machines. They will be intuitive, adaptable partners capable of navigating the complexities of the real world with ease. As we look to the future, the possibilities are as vast as the digital cosmos. With Gemini leading the charge, the integration of AI and robotics promises to unlock a new era of innovation and discovery. From autonomous cars to robotic companions, the fusion of Gemini's intelligence with mechanical ingenuity will redefine what it means to interact with technology. As Gemini gains traction among users, its journey doesn't end, it's just getting started. With each interaction, the model learns and adapts, fine-tuning its skills and expanding its repertoire to tackle even the most daunting of challenges. Gemini's evolution represents a giant leap forward in the landscape of AI technology, heralding a future where intelligent systems not only assist, but truly understand and empower humanity in ways previously unimaginable. Gemini's grand entrance into the AI arena is like the arrival of a quirky genius at a stuffy cocktail party. It's turning heads, raising eyebrows, and leaving everyone wondering what's next. With its knack for solving problems and knackier sense of humor, Gemini isn't just another tech whiz. It is the life of the digital party, mixing algorithms with charisma and turning data into comedy gold. As Gemini continues to evolve and crack jokes, and maybe a few complex codes, it is clear that the future of AI isn't just smart, it's downright hilarious. So let's raise a virtual toast to the quirkiest, cleverest AI in town. With Gemini leading the charge, we're not just stepping into the future, we're doing it with a wink, a smile, and a whole lot of code. Here's to Gemini, the AI that's not just changing the game, but rewriting the rules and making us laugh along the way. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos.